Hey guys, Bobby here, and in this video I just wanted to give you a update on We Bargain and Bargain Bin Supply. I had 3 or 4 videos talking about some of the boxes that I've got coming in, and I will have a link to those videos down below in the description. But basically what happened was I ordered electronic products. They had a deal going on for 2 for 3, so I bought the 2 boxes and they gave me 1 free. And then that was from Bargain Bin Supply, and then I did another one from We Bargain, which I ordered from them and then sent them an email saying to cancel my order, which they didn't. They said they did, but they didn't, and they went ahead and sent me the products anyway. They were maybe 2 or 3 weeks late on sending me the box, and that's kind of why I told them I didn't want it anymore. And based on the Facebook group that I follow, they said that We Bargain is a really bad place to get return electronics anyway. So I was like, okay, I want my $100 back, and they didn't do that. so I was like, I'll just make a video and see, what they gave me. So I did that, and turns out that I wouldn't, if I were a new seller and all I had was $300, I would have been really ticked off because they didn't give me enough products to even pay for what I spent, if that makes any sense. It really bothered me because my electronics are basically in the garage. The stuff that I did sell, apparently they didn't work because I'm getting complaints from customers saying that the products are not working. I have tested some of them. One of them I thought I did test correctly, but it turns out that what was holding the product, I guess, to help it charge wasn't working. There was a computer that didn't work, as well as some other products that didn't work, and it just overall became very, very annoying. You buy these products on returns, and it makes you think that these companies are getting like products that are defective. Either that or a warranty was placed on these products, and whenever the products break, they send it in and they get their new one. And these companies, I guess, ship them out to people who buy these products expecting to get a return on their investment, but they don't. So for me, I had a bad experience with this. There's people out there that have good experiences with stuff like this, but for me and the amount of money that I put into it, I say that it's not worth it because I think that it's a terrible business model. I don't think somebody can actually live off of this business model. And the business model that I think that people should be looking for is either wholesale or creating bundles, and eventually getting to private label. Private label is the most expensive. It costs thousands upon thousands of dollars to get started. But with wholesale, you can find products that are online in bundles and stuff, and you'll be able to get a good profit off of that. But most of all, I would say bundles is the easiest one to get started because it's the cheaper, I guess, entry. If that makes any sense. You can get 2 products, put them together, and they're branded. You don't have to worry about creating your own brand and add something to it. That's my son Gideon. But you can add something to it. You can add something to it and then put your own product in there, whether it be a sticker or a grocery list. All right, give me a second. Give me a couple seconds. Or a grocery list, and you can post those on Amazon. One of the not sites, but one of the softwares I like to use is called AMZ Scout. It helps me find profitable products, and when you look into those profitable products and you cross-analyze them to stores like Walmart or Target, and you see that there's a profit there, you can create your own bundle using maybe 2 of that product and adding something of your own, something that sells a lot, let's say about 60 of them a month. If you see something that sells about 60 of them a month, you say, how can I make this better? You see a bundle of 2 items and they're selling about 60 a month, and you can say, what can I add to this to give it more value, but also not be very expensive for me to add? So it might be something that costs like 60 cents, but what happens is whenever somebody sees that product they'll say, well, it looks like it's close to the same price as this bundle right here, except for this one comes with something extra. Well, that something extra could be your entry to preventing other sellers from getting on that listing. So basically, you create this bundle and the competitors look at it and say, well, crap, I can't join this because I don't have this product this person created. And you might have somebody buy your product and try to recreate it so they can join your listing. Even if that was a thing, not very many people are going to go take the time to do that. If one other person does that and they join your listing, I mean, you can easily say it's counterfeit to Amazon, but at the same time, not many other sellers are going to try to do the same thing. So it gives you a higher chance of getting more sellers. So if your products sell about the same as the bundle and it's getting 60 a month, what if those 60 went to yours and you were the only seller on it? You can get 40 to 60 sales per month. I would say at least 20 at least 20 sales per month when it comes to doing bundles. Yeah, this video was basically going to talk about not doing We Bargain and Bargain Bin Supply, but I kind of reared off into what business model I think you should choose. I hope that this has given you a lot of value, and I'm going to go hang out with my son because he's apparently bored. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it's given you a lot of value. I already said that, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about AMZ Scout, I have a link down below to the lifetime access to AMZ Scout, which is about $500. And if you think about it, it's actually cheaper than paying a monthly subscription. I have a video talking about it if you're wanting to look into something like that. Just leave a comment down below and I will, I guess, give you the info that you need. All right, guys. See ya.